Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can potentially change your financial life forever. We're diving deep into the world of billionaires and uncovering their blueprint for success. Get ready to learn the 5 crucial steps to unlocking your financial freedom. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any valuable content. Step 1. Setting clear goals. Setting clear goals allows you to define your purpose and provides a sense of direction in your financial journey. When setting your goals, make sure they are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, commonly known as SMART goals. By making your goals specific, you provide clarity on what exactly you want to achieve. Measurable goals enable you to track your progress and celebrate milestones along the way. It's essential to set goals that are attainable, challenging enough to push you forward, but not so overwhelming that they become discouraging. Relevance is another crucial factor in goal setting. Ensure that your financial goals align with your values and aspirations. Lastly, set a time frame for each goal, creating a sense of urgency and allowing you to track your progress over time. Remember, setting clear goals is the foundation of your financial success. They serve as a constant reminder of what you're working towards and provide motivation to stay focused, even during challenging times. So, grab a pen and paper and start visualizing your dreams. Write down your financial goals and keep them in a place where you can see them every day. Let these goals inspire you and guide your actions as you embark on your journey towards financial freedom. Step 2. Educate yourself. In the age of information, there are countless resources available to expand your knowledge and stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. Reading books written by successful entrepreneurs and investors can provide valuable insights and inspiration. Attend seminars and workshops conducted by industry experts to gain practical knowledge and network with like-minded individuals. The internet offers a vast array of online courses and educational platforms that cover various aspects of finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Take advantage of these resources to deepen your understanding and develop new skills. Online communities and forums also provide opportunities to connect with professionals in your field of interest and engage in meaningful discussions. By continually investing in your education, you equip yourself with the tools and knowledge necessary to make informed financial decisions. Remember, learning is a lifelong process, and the more you educate yourself, the more confident and capable you become in navigating the complex world of finance. So, make it a habit to dedicate time each day or week to expanding your knowledge. Set aside time for reading, enroll in online courses, and actively seek opportunities to learn from experts. Embrace the mindset of a lifelong learner, and you'll be well on your way to unlocking your financial freedom. Step 3. Strategic investing. Strategic investing involves careful planning and analysis. Start by evaluating your risk tolerance and financial goals. Are you looking for long-term growth or immediate returns? Understanding your investment objectives will guide you in selecting the appropriate investment vehicles. Research different investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and even starting your own business. Each asset class carries its own set of risks and potential rewards. Consider diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk by allocating your investments across different sectors and industries. Staying informed about market trends and economic indicators is crucial for successful investing. Follow financial news, read industry reports, and study historical data to identify potential opportunities. Additionally, consider consulting with financial advisors or investment professionals who can provide expert advice tailored to your specific needs and circumstances. Remember, strategic investing requires patience and a long-term perspective. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your investment strategy and review your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your goals. By adopting a strategic approach to investing, you can leverage the power of compounding and watch your wealth grow over time. Make informed decisions, diversify your portfolio, and stay committed to your long-term financial goals. Step 4. Building passive income streams. One of the most popular ways billionaires build passive income streams is through rental properties. Investing in real estate can provide a steady stream of rental income and potential appreciation in property value over time. Research the local real estate market, analyze rental demand, and consider the potential return on investment before making a purchase. Dividend-paying stocks are another avenue for generating passive income. Look for established companies with a history of consistent dividend payouts. Dividends are a portion of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders, providing a regular income stream without active involvement. In today's digital age, online businesses offer incredible opportunities for passive income generation. Explore e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or creating digital products such as ebooks or online courses. These ventures can generate income while you sleep and reach a global audience. Remember, building passive income streams requires initial effort, such as property acquisition or setting up an online business. However, once established, these income sources can provide ongoing financial benefits, allowing you to enjoy a more flexible lifestyle. Assess your skills, interests, and resources to determine the best passive income avenues for you. Be prepared to invest time and money in the beginning, but the long-term benefits can significantly contribute to your journey towards financial freedom. Step 5. Take calculated risks. Of course, it's crucial to evaluate the risks involved and make informed decisions. Conduct thorough research, consult experts, and analyze the potential outcomes before taking any significant financial leap. Remember, calculated risks can lead to extraordinary rewards. Taking calculated risks involves carefully assessing the potential rewards and weighing them against the associated risks. It's about making informed decisions rather than blindly gambling with your finances. Start by conducting thorough research and gathering as much information as possible about the opportunity at hand. Consulting with experts in the field can provide valuable insights and help you better understand the potential risks and rewards. Seek advice from professionals such as financial advisors, mentors, or successful individuals who have experience in similar ventures. Their guidance can help you navigate potential pitfalls and make more informed choices. Performing a detailed analysis of the potential outcomes is crucial. Consider the best and worst case scenarios, assess your risk tolerance, and evaluate how the potential rewards align with your long-term financial goals. Remember, calculated risks are about balancing the potential upside with the potential downside. It's important to note that taking calculated risks doesn't mean being reckless or impulsive. It means being open to opportunities that align with your goals and having the courage to step outside your comfort zone. It's about embracing calculated uncertainty and learning from both successes and failures. By taking calculated risks, you open yourself up to possibilities that can accelerate your path to financial freedom. Remember, many billionaires achieved their wealth by taking calculated risks, leveraging their knowledge, experience, and careful analysis to make informed decisions. And there you have it, the 5 steps to unlocking your financial freedom by following the Billionaire Blueprint. You're equipped with the tools to achieve remarkable financial success. Remember, this journey won't be easy, and it requires dedication and perseverance. Stay focused, stay determined, and never give up on your dreams. If billionaires can do it, so can you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also striving for financial freedom. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. As always, thanks for watching.